If your Android TV or Google TV has a black screen, won't respond, or you need to factory reset your TV with or without the remote, you're in the right place. Here, I'll show you 2 simple ways to enter into hard reset mode. The first method uses the physical button on the TV, and the second uses the remote control. After that, I'll show you exactly how to perform a factory reset safely. Method 1. Use the TV's physical power button. Start by turning the TV completely off and unplugging the power cable. Wait about 10 seconds. Now find the physical power button on your TV. It's usually underneath the TV, on the back, or along the bottom edge. Press and hold that power button. While you're still holding it, plug the power cable back in. Keep holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Don't press anything else. If your TV supports this method, you'll first see the TV logo, then the recovery menu will appear. Method 2. Use the remote control. First, turn the TV off and unplug it from the wall. Now press and hold the back button and the OK button on the remote at the same time. While holding both buttons, plug the TV back into power. Keep holding the buttons until the recovery menu appears on the screen. If one method doesn't work, simply try the other one. Different TV brands use different button combinations. Once you're inside recovery mode, use the volume up and volume down buttons to move through the menu. Press the power button to make a selection. On some TVs, the remote may also work for moving through the menu. Select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Then confirm by choosing Factory Reset or Yes, depending on your TV. Wait until the reset finishes. Next, select Wipe Cache Partition. This removes temporary system files that can sometimes cause software problems. It won't delete your personal files because the factory reset has already cleared your data. When that's done, choose Reboot System Now. Your TV will restart. The first startup usually takes longer than normal, sometimes up to 5 or even 10 minutes. During this time, don't unplug the TV or press any buttons. Just let it finish. When the setup screen appears, choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account if you want, and complete the normal setup. That's it. Your Android TV or Google TV should now start like a brand new TV. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy TV repair and troubleshooting videos.